Best waterproofing and remedial building materials shop. Despite costing only 1.8% of total construction costs, bad waterproofing is responsible for an incredible 83% of building defects requiring remedial rectification work. If left untreated, water penetration into the building structure results in undue moisture in buildings. The presence of moisture can have negative health effects on occupants, destruction of structural elements leading to spalling concrete, weakening of structure and eventually collapse of the whole building. That's why the Online Waterproofing Shop has the best waterproofing and remedial building materials with Australia-wide delivery. This unique range of the best waterproofing and building maintenance products have unmatched performance. Provide much-needed solutions to common and not-so-common building maintenance, remedial repairs and waterproofing. Who are they suitable for? That's right, everybody. Architects, builders, building maintenance professionals, waterproofers and DIYs everywhere. Are you looking for solutions for cementitious waterproofing membranes, cementitious waterproofing systems, concrete restoration and corrosion protection, efflorescence removal and bathroom waterproofing? Need a different solution? Then call or email inquiries at OnlineWaterproofingShop.com. Waterproofing Shop, call 0466797900 or go to OnlineWaterproofingShop.com.